In this video, we are going to learn how to set up server for our socket.io, and for that go to pages, go to API and select socket.js file that we have created. Inside it, import server from socket.io. Then create a handler by using export default function server handler. This will have two parameters, one is request and one is response. And inside this function we are going to check if response.socket.server.io, if it exists, means that we have already initialized the socket server. And for now we'll simply be logging it, so we can simply write socket is already running. And in else case, if it's not initialized, we will initialize it by creating new server. Let's create a constant io and create a new server for our response.socket.server, and then we will assign the socket to our server response. Okay, so once this is done, we listen to the onConnect event of the socket.io, which is on connection. When the client connects to the server, we will receive a socket. So let's check it. And for now, we will simply be logging it that the socket is now connected. So once we have set up our socket.io, simply return a response by using response.end. And in the next video, we are going to learn how to set up socket.io for our client side. So see you in the next video.